As the 2025 national election approaches, the Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, implements measures to ensure a peaceful and orderly electoral process. One of these measures is the nationwide gun ban. From January 12 to June 11, 2025, the carrying and transport of firearms and other deadly weapons are strictly prohibited. This gun ban is essential in maintaining safety and order throughout the election period. Violators of the gun ban face serious consequences, including imprisonment from 1 to 6 years, permanent disqualification from holding public office, and loss of voting rights. It also includes deportation for foreigners, but only after prison term is served. The gun ban applies to everyone, including those with existing permits to carry firearms, except for authorized law enforcement personnel who are in uniform and on duty. This measure is for the protection of every Filipino. A peaceful election is a shared responsibility. Let us stay informed, stay vigilant, and support a safe and fair electoral process. This reminder is brought to you by Police Community Affairs and Development Unit, National Capital Region.